This is Link. It connects two or more people together so they can find each other. It's a simple one-button interface. Just pair two or more devices, and then follow the arrow and distance right to your people. That's it. All without the need for phones, maps, connectivity, or subscriptions. Have you ever been lost or separated from your group? Been unsure at a fork in the road? Anxiously waited for your group to return? Struggled to describe where you are? Turned around in a crowded place and your child is gone. But Link is as much for fun as it is for safety. Find your friends at music festivals. Stay together in large crowds. Reunite easily on ski trips. Allow your kids to explore with more peace of mind. Or simply enjoy your outdoor activities with more confidence. Link uses a new approach to GPS and has a range between devices of up to 3 miles. Scroll through groups of up to 12 with a user interface that's simple enough for a young child to use. Link lasts up to 3 days without recharging, and its built-in clip allows you to attach the device to your clothes, gear, or even pets. Engineered to endure the harshest environments, from snowy descents to young kids. Link is more than a people compass. You can set meetup locations that everyone in your group can easily find and return to. A safe zone feature alerts you when anyone strays outside the boundary that you choose. It's great for kids and pets. No more worrying, wandering, or waiting around. Link will find your people when nothing else will.
Introducing the Wise Owl Outfitters Single Owl and Double Owl Hammock. Our hammocks are made of the highest quality materials. Although the nylon is very strong and can hold up to 500 pounds, it remains very soft. Similar to bed sheets, the higher the thread count, the softer the sheet. We use a silky smooth 210T nylon fabric for these hammocks, and our seams are stitched with triple interlocking stitching for ultimate security. You also have an attached bag that doubles as a storage pocket while inside your hammock. These hammocks come with 2 9-foot-long hammock straps with 10 different connection points combined. These allow you to easily hang your hammock anywhere in just a minute or so. To set up your hammock, find 2 trees that are about 12 to 20 feet apart and wrap the strap around the first tree. Put the end with several loops through the end with just one loop that also has the logo on it. Do the same on the other tree. Then grab your hammock and clip one carabiner to one of the loops on the strap. Repeat on the other end. If your hammock is hanging too low, you can adjust to another loop. Adjust the straps higher or lower on the tree, or if your trees are a little too close together, you can also wrap the strap around the tree more than once. Once your hammock is attached, you'll want to clear the area below it so there are no sticks or anything sharp. You also want to ensure that it is hanging at about 18 inches from the ground to easily get in and out of your hammock. Before you jump in, please test the connections and the setup by pushing down on the hammock with a lot of pressure and pulling at the straps on the trees. Best way to enter your hammock is stand in front of it and open it behind you. Sit down and then swivel to the side. The most comfortable way to lie in your hammock will be at an angle. The single owl is great for one person, and the double owl is perfect for 2 people or 1 person who wants a little more space. The single is 9 feet long by 4.5 feet wide, and the double is 10 feet long by 6.5 feet wide. We are Wise Owl Outfitters. Years ago, we set out to make an awesome, high-quality hammock at a reasonable price. Since our first hammock, we've expanded our product line to include many useful and eye-catching products under the Wise Owl brand. We're located in the beautiful state of Tennessee and take great pride in being a U.S. company. We strive every day to improve our design, technology, and processes to offer the best and most useful outdoor gear and products possible. We hope our gear can give you a reason to get outside and enjoy our beautiful world.
Used by survivalists, military personnel, and outdoors people everywhere. Having a Copwin brand paracord bracelet assures you are ready for anything. It's the ultimate accessory for any of your adventures. This is the Copwin PC300GB. The PC300GB comes in a beautiful gift box containing 2 paracord bracelets and 1 keychain multi-tool. Our first paracord bracelet has a working compass that really does work, including a degree dial around it. The LED light has 3 modes. The on-off button is on the side. One press and the light comes on. If you hold the button for 3 seconds, the light now becomes a strobe light. And if you press it again, it is now sending SOS signals using Morse code. The whistle is located on the side and is very loud, throwing out more than 120 decibels to scare away wildlife or call for help. The magnesium flint used as a fire starter is located on the bottom of one of the buckles. It can be removed and inserted backwards in the buckle for stability when using it. The small scraper knife is located on the bottom of the other buckle. Simply slide it out and it can be used for cutting, scraping, and is also designed to be used with the magnesium flint to start a fire. Just give it a few scrapes across the flint and you'll have a roaring fire in no time. The other bracelet in your package is a bit different than the first one. This one also has a small working compass, as well as the whistle on the side again. When you open this bracelet, you have a sharp knife on one side and a scraper on the other side. The flint on this one is also on the bottom of one of the buckles. Just pull it out and slide it in backwards to hold it in place. Now you can use the scraper side to strike the flint and make your fire. Also included in this set as a bonus is a keychain multi-tool with 9 useful functions. Open it up to expose a nice set of pliers as well as a wire cutter. Pull out the LED light and twisting the head turns it on or off. This light uses replaceable AG3 batteries. The other end of the multi-tool has a sharp knife, flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, Phillips star style screwdriver, and mini saw. The Copwin PC300GB paracord bracelet set is the ultimate accessory for all of your adventures.